What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be replacing these pedals on my Mercedes with the OEM ones. So what you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. The first thing you want to do is you want to pull up that little black cover to expose the 10mm bolt under there. Alright, so you want to lift up on this little guy here. There he is. Then there is a 10mm bolt under there. Alright, now there's going to be a connector up there that you just squeeze and disconnect. For this car there's only one. There might be two for a different model. Here it is. There you go. You got this out. Now the other ones are easy. You just pull them out. I know these aren't the OEM ones. This car just brings the black ones, but I bought these on Amazon and then I found the OEM ones for the same price, so I just got those and I'm replacing them. Yeah, you just kind of pull these off. There you go. And same with this little guy over here. You just pull them off. Alright, let's go switch these out. Alright, so on the top we have the ones that I just removed, and then these are the ones I will be installing, which are the OEM ones. Alright, now to remove this, it's pretty simple. You just have to get this little thingy out so you can prop this open. I'm just gonna get just a flat head to force this side. Alright, now this just comes off, and now you have this like this, because the OEM ones are like this, so you have to slide them in. As you can see, this one I put a zip tie on it because it actually came cut from factory, you know, from the whatever Chinese warehouse, so you could just put it on without even taking this off. But I mean, I put this because it kept sliding off, so they're not really good. So let me cut this off now. Alright. So as you can see, I could just pretty much take this one off without even going up. I could just take it off like this. This came cut from wherever. I bought these on Amazon for like 26 bucks, but they're not very good. I mean, they're alright, but I got the OEM ones for like 20 bucks anyway, so I found a good deal. So to put this one on, just slide it in through the top. Alright, so we got it through. I used a little bit of soap to help lubricate it, but once it's past that part, just kind of slides all the way down. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The other ones are self-explanatory. Just grab this thingy here, just put it back. There you go. Now you're done with this one, which is the hardest one. The other ones are easy, so we'll go do that now. Alright guys, so we're gonna put this one back on. You just connect the connector back and just put the bolt. There you go. Get this guy, put this guy back. Now to put these on, just kind of slip them on, and you could use a flathead around like this to help you out. Alright, we got the brake one on. Now, last one. This little guy here. Alright guys, so we got them all on. To be honest, it is a lot harder to put the OEM ones on than some random eBay ones, but these are the OEMs to the car. So yeah, you could use this guide to put the other ones on too. It's the same thing. It's even simpler. You just don't even have to remove that. You just you could cut these off and, you know, just throw them away and put the other ones. Obviously I wanted the OEM ones for this car. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.